Departure room cleaning procedure. Departure room cleaning is an essential part of housekeeping in the hospitality industry. The following is a general procedure for departure room cleaning. Gather cleaning supplies. Before beginning the cleaning process, gather all necessary cleaning supplies and equipment such as cleaning chemicals, towels, trash bags, and a vacuum cleaner. Check for lost and found items. Check the room for any lost and found items that may have been left behind by the guest. These items should be properly logged and stored for safekeeping. Strip the bed. Remove all used bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and blankets. These items should be placed in a laundry bag and sent to the hotel's laundry department. Collect and empty trash. Gather all trash from the room, including any items left in the waste baskets, and dispose of them properly. Clean the bathroom. Clean and sanitize the bathroom, including the toilet, sink, shower tub, and floor. Refill any empty toiletry containers and replace used towels. Dust and wipe down surfaces. Use a damp cloth to wipe down all surfaces, including furniture, lamps, and window sills. Dust any decorative items and check for any spots or stains on the walls. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor to remove any dust, dirt, or debris. Check for maintenance issues. Check the room for any maintenance issues, such as burned out light bulbs or broken fixtures. Final inspection. Do a final inspection of the room to ensure that everything is clean, tidy, and in working order. Document the cleaning. Document the cleaning in the housekeeping log or software system, noting any issues or maintenance requests. By following this procedure, housekeeping staff can ensure that departure rooms are thoroughly cleaned and ready for the next guest.